Hello everybody, and welcome back to the channel for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Before we get started, make sure that you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature along with other safety related videos and leadership training videos. Well, this month we'll be talking about electrical safety. So let's go ahead and get started with the video. Now, electrical safety. The hazards associated with electricity affect the majority of workplaces. Whether you are in general industry, construction, or even farming, electrical hazards are present. It is important to be able to recognize the electrical hazards around you and know how to mitigate them. Let's talk about some electricity-related injuries. According to Electrical Safety Foundation International, between 1992 and 2010, there were 5,096 fatalities in the United States due to contact with electricity. There were a total of 66,748 injuries that required days away from work in the same time period due to electricity. The construction industry experiences the majority of injuries and fatalities. These statistics do not include injuries caused by secondary events. For example, an individual falling from a ladder due to getting shocked. If these types of injuries were included, the statistics would be higher. Also, every day there are workers who suffer some type of shock but do not seek or require treatment for their injuries. Because of this, it is difficult to fully track the occurrence of electrical shock in the workplace. Let's talk about some common electrical hazards. Overhead power lines, underground power lines, lightning, faulty equipment, working on energized equipment, improper grounding, and damaged installation. Let's talk about electrical safety. Maintain at least a 10-foot distance from 50 kV overhead power lines and add more distance as the voltage increases. Also, avoid the poles themselves to avoid bringing the lines to the ground. Call your local 811 utility locator prior to digging to avoid unexpectedly striking an underground electrical line or any other utility. Also, inspect all cords for damaged installation or missing ground pins. If either of these conditions exist, get them fixed by a professional or remove them from use. Never work on energized equipment. Always follow proper lockout and tagout procedures before performing electrical work. Test the power after locking and tagging out to ensure there is no power being fed to what you're working on. And do not operate electrical equipment in wet conditions. Also, avoid having electrical components in a wet environment unless they are protected. Secure all electrical boxes and panels. Ensure components in and around these panels are in good working condition and not missing. In summary, there are many different electrical hazards in any one workplace. It is important to understand electrical safety and respect the dangers electricity poses. Eliminate any electrical hazards in your work area to avoid an injury to yourself or another coworker. As a discussion point, make sure you have this with your people. What are some electrical hazards you can encounter today, and how can you mitigate them to protect yourself? All right, boys and girls, that's it for this week's Toolbox safety topic video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. Make sure you give me a thumbs up down below here to encourage me to make more videos of this type. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel where you'll find additional videos of this nature, along with other safety-related videos and leadership training videos. And until we see each other again, take care of yourself because you're number one. Look out for your coworkers and help ensure their safety. Have a grateful day, and remember, I will see you in the field.